Simply learn. Your pace, your place.
Hello and welcome to SAP Consultant Certification Training course by Simply Learn. This is a professional level course and is meant to help individuals learn more about the SAP Enterprise Resource Planning solutions on financial and management accounting. This course will also prepare you for the SAP Certified Application Associate exams on financial and management accounting. Let us first look into the agenda in the next slide. Now we are going to talk about this introductory lesson. We will first explain what SAP is all about. Next, we will give an overview of the financial accounting or FI and management accounting or CO solution areas. This will be followed by a coverage of the course components for a consultant level training on FI and CO. We will also discuss how you can go about taking up the available certification exams to become an SAP Certified Application Associate. Now we will proceed to learn about the meaning of SAP. SAP is a German software giant known mainly for its Enterprise Resource Planning or ERP solution suite. This software suite is a closely interconnected set of modules based on the principal business functions of an organization. These modules are in turn modeled on the best practices followed by successful organizations across the world. SAP Enterprise Central Component or ECC is the core engine behind the ERP solution suite. It is actually the core set of Advanced Business Application Programming or ABAP based components that drive the various modules. So let us move on to the next slide, which talks about the SAP Financial Accounting and SAP Management Accounting. Now we will discuss about the learning tracks for SAP, Financial Accounting and SAP Management Accounting. Financial accounting involves preparing regulatory financial statements like balance sheets and income statements as per prevailing international standards. Accordingly, the SAP FI model involves areas like accounts payable, accounts receivable, financial statements, cost allocations, and so on. Managing accounting, on the other hand, focuses on internal financial reporting for a managerial decision-making process. This involves preparing reports for financial planning, project cost evaluation, performance evaluation, and so on. The SAP CO module accordingly involves processes like planning, forecasting, cost analysis, profitability analysis, etc. Please note that Simply Learn provides separate courses for SAP FI and CO, Application Associate Training. If, however, you choose to go for training on both modules together, you get an attractive waiver on the combined fee. In the next sections, we will understand the curriculum followed in each of the two learning tracks. The SAP FI Consultant Training courseware has 4 modules as shown on the screen. After an introduction to SAP, participants are taken through the user-level training, followed by configuration training on the SAP FI module. Please note that the entire training is in an interactive practice-based format, meaning that you will need to actually complete guided exercises in each lesson. This completely online training program includes a 30-day access to the SAP sandbox system for participants to practice their skills. Similar to the SAP FI training, the consultant training on SAP is subdivided into 4 modules. After the SAP introduction, participants are taken through the user-level training, followed by the configuration training on SAP CO. Also, after going through these modules, participants are required to complete a case study involving the entire curriculum. This completely online training program includes a 30-day access to SAP Sandbox system for participants to practice their skills. We suggest you click on the box at the lower right corner of the screen to go through a demonstration lesson. In the next slide, we will learn about the process after completion of the training. The suggested process for completing this course is to complete the training and then the case study. This would need to be supplemented by extensive practice on the SAP sandbox system. After completion of the training, participants are awarded a completion certificate. Participants can also go for SAP Certified Application Associate certifications. This will involve taking up the exams shown on the screen. You can register for these exams by clicking on the links provided. Please note that registration for examination is subject to SAP's Consultant Certification Policy. SAP defines conditions for participation which are subject to change by SAP without notice and for which Simply Learn is not responsible. Thank you for going over this introductory lesson on SAP Consultant Training from Simply Learn on Financial and Management Accounting. If you have any questions, please feel free to speak with our customer support representatives who are available 24/7 to assist you. Happy learning!